Hi, I'm Darren France, and I'll show you today how to remove some created playlists or saved playlists. You don't need them anymore. Okay, so this is your YouTube channel, and these are your playlists, and among those created playlists you don't need this one, for example. So click here on View Full Playlist and find here 3 dots, click on them and find Delete Playlist. Delete. That's it. Let's see now. No more creation playlist. Okay, let's go to saved playlists. Here it should be something like different way. Click on View Full Playlist, and here you can see Remove from Library. Click on it. Let's see now. No more here. Let's do the same with this playlist. Remove from library. No more saved playlists. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.